So guys, hopefully the audio is sunk up. Kind of hard to do when I'm in a full face helmet. Never sure if the mic hears it or not. However, this is the GoPro Hero 8. As you can see, the weather is horrible. So I'm staying close to home. I was going to go do a little bit more riding, do some drive-bys with the old camera and this and that. We'll see what I do. Like I said, it's raining. There's a guy working on the cell tower, but I'm gonna still go play up over here. I just don't want to stir up any dust for him. This is what I have to work with right now. And for the settings, I have at 2.7K, 60 frames a second, wide. I got Pro Tune alls situated for matching my old Hero 5 Black. So I got all custom settings. That should be good when I do the color and the sharpening and all that. And I got Hyper Smooth on Boost. So this is boost. It might be too much. But let's see. So I'm gonna go over here because I always go over here. Don't want to stir up dust for them, although it's starting to rain, so you'll probably see raindrops on the screen. I'll try and wipe them off. It's funny because it's supposed to be high 56 and partly sunny. Well, so much for the partly sunny, right? So anyways, we'll just kind of ride around and do some stuff just to get some video. Trying out the camera. Note, I don't have an external battery right now, so I'm kind of stuck with probably recording for an hour. But it did come with an extra battery, so sure people are like, what is he doing? So I don't know how the Hyper Smooth is looking at this moment. Hopefully it's looking pretty good. These are pretty steep stairs. Let's go ahead and set up the other GoPro. Random people. Oh, I hope they do something stupid. So using the little GoPro stand for the Hero 5. Oh, that one wasn't good. Yeah, this bike is different. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the Hero 8 Black on my helmet, this is what it looks like. This is with the ProShot Mount. It's hard to get it perfectly aligned is the one downside. The SoPro mount's a lot better, but because this is a full face, I don't like the straps going through there because I can't shut this. Defeats the purpose of having a full face. So, let's go check out a few more things. Go over the tire, give it a little bounce, throttle, and you just wheelie right over it. It's a little tire, but same principle on a lot of the tires until you get to the huge ones. Hopefully that Hyper Smooth is working really good. I will be curious to see how that turns out. If you don't want to watch this part of the video, that's fine. I'm just going to go check out the stores. But anyways, that's the Hero 8 Black 2.7K at 60 frames a second with hyper smooth on the, well, the highest setting. Put my mirror out. Wipe off the screen there. Woohoo. Oh. Our cop. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't go over Mount Herman. Mount Herman's over there. Yeah, they're getting rain. And it would be a cold rain too. Still too early in the year. Look at this. So you can see how they have it. So what you can do right now at Texas Roadhouse is you can buy an uncooked steak and take it home and cook. I don't know how much it is. I should look it up online. Maybe I'll put it in the video, but that's what they're doing. And then got a discount tire. So I'll be picking up my new rims for my truck. Yeah, that's another surprise. See, I spent some of that stimulus money. Who am I kidding? I spent a lot more than that stimulus money. With the GoPro, the tires, some other random stuff. Like I bought some new pants from Duluth and socks, and their stuff isn't cheap, as you might know. I mean, you buy like 2 items, it's like $100. It's not cheap at all. Looks like they're doing a lot of construction. I'm not sure what they're going to put in over here, but they'll put in something. Doing a lot of work. A lot of drainage. We'll just cut across this. As you can tell, so many people do anyways. I think our treat this weekend is going to be, we had Indian, and yeah, that was bumbling. That was horrible. I'm not going to name the place because we like it. We like the owner, but they definitely don't have everything together. I mean, the main thing was, the wife placed the order online, paid for the order, had me go get it because it was snowing out. I go get the order, and I walk up to the door. Door's locked, has a sign on it. Read the sign. It says, "Wait in your car, we will call you." How are you going to call me? You don't have my number. I didn't place the order. I mean, how many people where the spouse went to pick it up, or maybe they put in a home number? You're not going to get them at all. So yeah, it didn't make any sense at all. So I had to I actually called the restaurant. I'm sitting right in front looking in, and I watched the girl pick up the phone. I'm like, "Hey, I'm here in the brown truck." Said come at 7. And she's like, no, we're an hour or 2 hours behind, sir. Sorry. I'm like, I'm here in the brown truck. Our original time was 6:30. You sent an email saying it'd be 7. I'm here at 7. Now, where am I in the order, in the line? And she puts me on hold and comes back and goes, oh, and took my name and goes, "Oh, well, we're making it right now." And anyone knows Indian. We didn't order anything complicated, so it's like, it took another 30 minutes. And by that time, I had to call the wife. The girl didn't understand that, hey, I was there, I'm in the brown truck. At that time, I didn't know they were like cracking the door open, putting the food outside, and shutting the door. They're like so scared. I mean, if you got that many issues in the family and you're afraid to get sick, then you maybe just want to not be doing this at all right now. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, that was a little overboard. So I had to call the wife, tell the wife, hey, make sure you have your phone with you. They're going to call you. You're going to have to call me. So we waited close to 30 minutes. I guess the wife ended up calling saying, the wife ended up calling them a few times, leaving messages, or not leaving messages because the voicemail was full. And so it would just ring, and I'm watching the gal, and yeah, she wasn't really paid. She was on the phone, but maybe she was I don't know. There wasn't anyone else there, and people weren't walking on. That's why I didn't know why it was so backed up. Like, I'm here. You should get mine done right away. And they didn't, give any extra for the delay. A lot of places are cool. Like, if they take too long, they might, here's a couple extra naan, or here's a couple extra of the little honey rolls you ordered, which were $6 for 4. We're like, what the hell? $6 for 4 of these, because it didn't say how many you get online. Like, especially when your food is like if that's your normal thing, then that's outrageously priced as a side dish. I mean, even $1 each for those would be like just making the money like crazy. Like, what the heck? So yeah, they're kind of on our naughty list. But yeah, I literally had to wait until the wife called me. I saw the girl go, there's 2 sets of doors, go through the one, she's with the bag. I'm like, I wonder if that's mine now. And just before that, the guy that was parked next to me, I saw that he called them, and he was waiting too. He never got anything at the door. I saw her answer the phone. He must have got luckily through. My wife didn't, and she hung up and went right to the kitchen. Right then he was backing out. I was like, yeah, he gave up. Yeah, it's like, that's not cool. And there was like, by that point there was no one else, so like, I don't understand. Like, what is your deal? But yeah, so I had to walk up to the door. Wife calls me and says, hey, it's ready. I'm like, okay, I thought so. And I will walk up there, and she like cracks the door. As she's saying no, she's like, sorry, sir. And like just puts it down. I realized I was at that point standing, because how paranoid they were. I probably should have been standing far back, but at that point I was already right at the door, and oh well, she'll have to live with it. It's like, wow. Yeah, some restaurants are getting it, and others are just not getting it. We like that place. We like the owner. He lives somewhere around us. So I've seen him at our local bank and stuff. So everyone knows him. So I'm not going to out the place. I'm just going to figure they suck at how they decided to go about doing this pickup. Because doing the pickup, you could, they must have sat around like, how can we do this? Didn't anyone think like, well, what if the husband comes and gets the food? You won't have their number, will you? What if they gave a home number and now they're in their car, and then what? And because it was snowing, you don't want to stand at the door the whole time. It was cold. Maybe in the description, put some of your good and bad experiences. We've had 2 bad ones so far. Hey, at least the food was awesome. The food was awesome. So they got that right. So that kind of makes up for that whole debacle. But yeah, there's enough local places. We're just gonna keep like doing various local places, because why not? In the description, maybe list your place that you've had good and maybe the bad. I mean, and let them know. I mean, do let them know. I mean, I probably will send an email here and just say, hey, the food was awesome, but you guys really got to work on your pickup. And see, the guy might, I don't want to even say his name because everyone will probably know him if you're a Monument, Colorado Springs. Yeah. Oh, look at this. We got water going already. Why? It's been so green. They didn't have to get the water going yet. Good old Tri-View. Anyways, hopefully you all liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Also, hit that notification bell and check out the Amazon affiliate link. Why? Because it really helps me out. Right now, I went from like $700 to $900 a month for YouTube down to, I don't know, it's dropping fast here like a rock. This morning like 300. I don't know why it's dropping so much. It was continually going up, and now it's just like, so maybe something's wrong on their end. So when I get paid out, then I'll know more. But yeah, going buying something from the Amazon affiliate link really helps out the channel, and it's more steadily, as long as I promote it, it kind of goes up a little. To be honest, I make like 60 to 100 bucks on that. I think my highest was like 180 over one Christmas, because, you know, people were buying stuff and I promoted it. But that's the better way to help a channel out. So if you see that on any other channels, check out their Amazon affiliate link and do your normal shopping, because it's a win-win. Doesn't cost you anything extra, doesn't cost me anything. We both win, right? I get a little piece of the pie from the commission. So anyways, thanks for watching, and have a good day, and stay safe, my friends. And get out there and ride if you can, if it's not like this. Have a good one.